So in this, we're going to describe different cardinals or operators which allow you to create new ideas, new powers, or new meaning. It's kind of like math, but it's a little different. So you start by picking a power or meaning. So we're going to start with a power. So objectivity. And uncertainty. And then you add one of these. There are others, but we're just going to go with this. This is addition, this is subtraction, this is divide, and this is split. When we were making the manipulation of different powers, we used blend or addition to. Okay. I don't know why that keeps happening. I've never used this program before. So. But when you add them together, they equal something. So in this case, objectivity plus uncertainty equals uncertain object, and that would be an object that has uncertain properties to it. It's basically just blending the two concepts together. That's what, and that creates a new concept by adding the two to each other. And the other ones work like that, but they use different operators. So will plus divination or wait, we're going to do minus divination will equal will equal something, or it'll equal will without divination. So it'll be will without interpretation, which could be described as mindlessness, mindless action. And that's a different power entirely. If we do another one with inversion, we only use one word. So it would be uncertainty reverse the opposite of uncertainty, and in this case we'll do something other than objectivity, is predictability. Which would be being able to predict what's going to happen rather than what is uncertain or uncertain. And that would be another power which you could use, and these will be discussed after this video is done in a different topic. The last one's a little complicated, because it uses 2 and it directs it towards, or it rearranges the way it works. You'll see it. If you go with divination and split between uncertainty, then you split these into component definitions. So divination would be prediction, oddly enough, predicting, and interpretation. And uncertainty would be causation, and object. And then you would rearrange these somehow into some kind of re-put together idea, like causal interpretation. And that would allow you to manipulate, or it would allow you to interpret causality to do certain things, which is unlike predictability, which is just getting something to do something, or mindless action, which is just action without mind, or uncertainty, which is object without action, or an object without predictable action. That's about it for power creation with operators, but you can do the same thing with meaning. It's exactly the same. It's just it's with ideas rather than axioms. And you can do the same thing with these things, meaning you could split addition in half and rearrange it to create something else when you do it with minus, or you could do that with other stuff to create new operators for cardinal exploration. That concludes the video. I hope that made sense. It's a little bit more complicated than the other stuff, but I'll show what these different things do in the next videos, and then maybe I'll go back and explain some more operators as well as some more meanings. Alright, see ya.